What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add debit card to your Remitly. So you might be wondering how to exactly add a debit card here in Remitly. Well, adding one is actually pretty easy. So what we need to do is you first need to open up the Remitly app here, and you want to go and click on manage at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, you should see a number of details like profile, settings, payment methods, and redeem offer. Now in order for you to add a debit card, you want to choose the payment methods option here. Once you click on it, you have two options, or in this case, one option. So in this case, add a payment method. So go and choose this one. And again, you now have the two options I'm talking about. So you have card and bank account. Now, since you want to add a debit card here, you want to choose card. And from here, you just need to provide the details, like for example, the card number, the expiration date of the card, and the security code, which can be found at the back of the card. Now you can also add the name of that card, which appears, again, it should match the card or the name of the card that's in it, and also the nickname for it, but this is just optional. And also the billing address here that is set up or connected to your card. But once you've added all the details, just click on save to save your changes, and you should now be able to start using your debit card on Remitly. In this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.